Unpack and install MagniLink S. Open the outer bag using the orange straps in the zippers. Inside the bag, you will find a number of user manuals, depending on the type of connection. Cables needed for various types of connection are included. You will also find a USB stick with software in the bag. A cleaning cloth is also included. Now open the inner bag by using the zippers. Inside the inner bag, you will find a power adapter to be used when the MagniLink S unit is connected directly to a monitor. This is also where you'll find the MagniLink S unit itself. Installation. Start with connecting the USB stick to your computer and I will guide you through the installation. Choose MagniLink PC Viewer in the File folder. Then choose the Setup Program file. Allow the software to perform the installation by choosing Yes. Now click Next. Accept the terms in the license agreement by choosing I accept the terms, and then click Next. If you're using one of our wireless systems, for example MagniLink Air, click Wi-Fi. If your system is licensed for OCR, text-to-speech, select the languages you are licensed for. The languages could for example be English and Swedish. Confirm your choices by clicking Next and then Install. Now grab the MagniLink S unit and fold out the camera arm. Fold out the support legs. Connect the USB cable to the back of the unit. Place the unit next to the computer. If you're left-handed, you can place it to the left. Then connect the USB cable to your computer. MagniLink S can be used for document reading with the camera facing down towards the desk. The camera can also be used without the lens for distance viewing. Thank you for watching. You can learn more about our solutions for low vision users at lviglobal.se.